Storing data in a computer is like keeping things safe in a digital locker. Computers use special places called memory to hold on to information. Memory is like the computer's brain. It helps to remember things. Just like we have our own memory to recall important information, computers have memory to store and retrieve data quickly. There are two main types of computer memory: RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory. RAM is like our short-term memory, storing data temporarily while the computer is running. ROM, on the other hand, is like our long-term memory, holding essential information that the computer needs even when it's turned off. So, when we store data in a computer, we are essentially using its memory to keep that information safe and accessible. Now, based on this information, here is a multiple choice question. Let's solve it. Which of the following components is used to store data? The options are CPU, memory, input device, output device. Let's explore each option to find the correct answer. CPU, Central Processing Unit. While the CPU is the brain of the computer responsible for executing instructions, it doesn't directly store data. Instead, it relies on memory to access and manipulate data swiftly. Memory. Memory, including RAM and ROM, is specifically designed to store data temporarily or permanently, facilitating quick access and retrieval by the CPU. Input device. Input devices like keyboards and mouse enable users to input data into the computer, but they do not store the data themselves. Instead, the data is processed and stored in memory. Output device. Output devices such as monitors and printers display or produce results based on processed data. Like input devices, they do not store data themselves, but rather receive it from memory for presentation or output. In conclusion, the component used to store data in a computer system is memory. So, memory is the correct option. Whether it's RAM for temporary storage or ROM for permanent storage, memory serves as the essential storage unit that enables the CPU to perform tasks efficiently and effectively. You can learn more about this topic in your MSCIT book.